So hello guys, today I want to show you some few basics of the model town board, and today what we are going to look at is the parking. Okay, so I know most of you, especially people in Kenya, are required to go back to driving school so that they can get the refreshed courses on the basics of driving. And today I want to show you how to park in a controlled parking, so on a model town board. And the rule of thumb here is that when you are entering a controlled parking, you always park from the farthest end. Okay, you park from the farthest end on your left. So you turn left and you take the farthest end parking. So that is what we are doing, and you do this only for small cars. Okay, so that is what we have just shown you guys. Small cars are parked from the farthest side on your left. So that is how controlled parking works in a model town board. So we're gonna also show you how to park buses on a model town board, and we're gonna demonstrate using an example. So here we have a bus, and one thing is that buses are not parked in the controlled parking. There is a parking that is reserved for buses and heavy commercials. So that is how you do it, guys. You go and then you reverse and you park from the farthest end. Okay, this type of parking on a model town board is never parked facing front. So you go and then you reverse from the farthest end. So basically those are the two types of parking that we have in a model town board. And one general advice when you go into the examination classes is you should never park in the roundabout, you should never park in the green spaces, nor should you try to park in the pavements. Yeah, so that is another general rule of thumb. So that is it, guys, for parking, and enjoy and share this video widely.